You are very welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for international entrepreneurs, investors, and high net worth individuals: the role of a Brazil offshore law, and why this legal professional is essential for anyone managing cross-border assets, international structure, or offshore companies while residing or doing business with Brazil. In recent years, the global focus on tax transparency, economic substance, and international compliance has brought offshore activity into the spotlight. But contrary to common belief, offshore structures are not illegal if they are properly declared and strategically planned under the law. That's exactly where a Brazil offshore lawyer can help you. We can start with the fundamentals. An offshore law a lawyer advises clients on how to legally create, manage, declare, and operate foreign entities or accounts while staying fully compliant with Brazilian law, especially with tax and financial reporting rules. Offshore structure may include foreign corporations and LLCs, holding companies, foundations or trusts, offshore bank accounts, investment portfolios, and brokerage accounts held abroad, intellectual property domiciled in other jurisdictions. Whether you are using an offshore entity for asset protection, international expansion, estate planning, or currency diversification, your Brazilian offshore lawyer ensures it's done correctly and transparently. Now, what are the key areas where this lawyer operates? Let's begin with structure and incorporation. If you plan to open a company in jurisdictions like the British Virgin Islands, Cayman Islands, Delaware, Portugal, Estonia, or the UAE, your offshore lawyer will analyze the legal purpose and tax implications. Choose the most suitable jurisdiction based on substance, cost, and legal predictability. Coordinate with foreign services providers for entity formation and draft incorporation documents aligned with Brazilian tax obligations. Structure the ownership to allow efficient repatriation or inheritance planning. But forming a company is just the start. The real value lies in how it integrates with your Brazilian tax obligations. That brings us to compliance and tax declaration. I can ensure that every structure in reported is in line with the Brazilian individual income tax return, that is Declaração de Imposto de Renda à Pessoa Física. It's the annual declaration of the Brazilian Capital Abroad, DCBE, required by the Central Bank of Brazil, withholding tax and capital gains obligation under Brazilian tax law, and the CFC rules controlled foreign corporation, which can trigger taxation of profits even if they are not distributed. International report regimes such as FATCA and CRS when applicable. Improper or omitted declaration can lead to massive fines, retroactive taxation, and even criminal penalties under Brazil's anti-evasion laws. The offshore lawyer ensures total transparency with full legal protection. Let's talk now about asset protection and estate planning. Many high net worth individuals in Brazil use offshore structures to separate personal assets from business risk, avoid forced heirship and rigid succession rules, reduce probate costs and complexity, maintain privacy in ownership, claim charitable or multi-generational transfers. I can help you set up and manage your international holding companies to hold share or real estate, trusts and foundations for succession and governance, dual residence strategy for family and asset relocation, cross-border wills that respect Brazilian inheritance law while leverage foreign jurisdictions. Importantly, these strategies are designed to comply with Brazil's tax code and avoid challenge from Receita Federal or family members in court. Now let's move to business and investment use case. If you are an entrepreneur or investor expanding abroad, I can help you in this situation. I can set up your international subsidiaries or sales vehicles. I can manage royalty structure and license agreements, facilitating foreign direct investment, and drafting cross-border service or distribution contracts, and advise on curious flow, intercompany loans, and capital contributions. I can work hand in hand with your accountant, banker, and local consul in other countries to ensure all documents are aligned and defensible in case of audit. Another critical role is risk mitigation and regulatory defense. With global initiatives such as OECD, the economic substance requirements and automatic exchange of financial information, many offshore jurisdictions now require proof of real business activity, local directors or offices, ongoing report to foreign and Brazilian authorities. Your offshore lawyer ensures that your structure has the substance and legal integrity to pass regulatory review and responds to challenge if they arise, whether in the administrative or judicial forums. Now, what happens if the Brazilian authorities challenge your offshore structure? I can help you prepare your legal defense against tax assessment or fines. I can challenge presumption of tax evasion or stimulation. I can coordinate voluntary regularization programs when needed. I can assist in negotiations for amnesty programs, repats, or assets disclosures. And I also can file appeals and represent you in litigation if necessary. And so how do you choose the right lawyer here in Brazil? Look someone for is registered with the OAB, this Ordem dos Advogados do Brasil, and is highly experienced in international taxation and offshore compliance, fluent in both Portuguese and English, and well connected with global formation agents, bankers, and tax advisors, and are able to combine technical knowledge with real-world, customized planning, fully updates on Brazilian tax reforms and cross-border legal trends. To summarize, a Brazil offshore lawyer helps you legally protect wealth operates internationally and plan for the future while keeping you fully compliant with Brazilian laws and international standards. Whether you are already using an offshore tools or consider them for the first time, your legal strategy must be solid, transparent, and aligned with your long-term goals. I would like to help you in this project. I'm very experienced in this kind of matters and I definitely can help you. Thank you for watching, and if you hold foreign assets and plan to invest overseas or want to explore offshore structures legally, work with a qualified offshore lawyer in Brazil like me, it's the smartest way to go global without legal risk. And thanks a lot for watching this video. See you the next one. Bye.